Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to remove section break in Word document. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, open our Word. Now I will paste a sample paragraph. And now let's insert a blank page and paste again another paragraph. And here, as you can see, go back to our home. Here is the page break. Now if you want to delete that, just press delete on your keyboard. And then press another one. And then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.